bubbles through the funnel. That's a girl. Yep, let's fill it up. Oh, you got it? Hold on. I gotta let go. Water came out the other end. Let's see. I have some friends that want to go swimming in our bubbles. A turtle, a duck, and a frog. Oh, and sponges. Yeah, we can put the sponges in the bubbles. Here's wind up. Can you help me?
What is sponges?
The sponges. Ready, wash the duck, get all the bubbles on him. Alright, you ready? Here he goes. He's going to go swimming. Oh, wait, what else do you see here? See some of my friends?
Those can't go in the water. Get out of here.
Well, Mr. Cauliflower is very dirty, and he needs a bath. He's taking a shower.